Hello and welcome guys to the Euromo website's main landing page where you can buy any accounts as you need. Like you can see the account type and region and the quantity you need to buy, you want to buy. So select the account type from here, like coding or any other you need. I'm selecting coding. The region from where you want to buy the account, like Indian or USA or Argentina. Then select your quantity, then get cheapest price. Then you will be redirected to the sign in page. So select the sign in, not, not going, yeah, sorry for that. So here you can see you have options available for create account, and here you can sign in with normal name, email and password, or through the Discord or through the Google. So I am selecting the Discord in the sign in option. So after selecting Discord channel, you will be redirected to this page and you have to authorize, and then after authorizing you will be successfully added to the Discord channel and signed in as a Discord. So you can see my Discord name, email and the image. So here other pages will be this there.